This video will show you how to remove and replace the shutter mechanism in a GT5000 through-the-wall ATM. The shutter is the metal door on the front of the ATM that opens and closes so the cash can be presented to the customer. To remove the shutter, you'll need to open both the vault and also the top cabinet. You'll be sliding out the top and bottom trays, so check to see if the green screws used to lock the trays during shipping are installed. If so, you'll need to remove them before the trays will slide out. Slide out the top and bottom trays to expose the shutter module. Next, disconnect the cable going to the shutter module. You'll need to pinch the connector to get it to separate. The shutter is held in place at the top with two Phillips head screws. Remove those and you can lift the shutter out of the cabinet. If you're replacing just the shutter control board, remove the two screws that hold the back cover in place. You can now access the shutter control board. If you're trying to troubleshoot a shutter that is not operating reliably, clean the back side of the control board. There are two optical sensors that tell if the door is opened or closed. If these get dirty, it can cause the shutter to malfunction. You can also try reseating the cable connections to the control board. When you're done cleaning, or if you're replacing the entire module, place the lower part of the shutter into this groove in the cabinet. Then just replace the two screws and reattach the cable. To test the shutter, use the rear service panel to enter the diagnostics menu. Then go to CDU. Pressing the shutter button will cause the door to open and close. If the shutter does not open and close properly when testing, remove the two top screws and let the shutter lay back. Then test it again. If something is rubbing against the shutter when installed, it can cause it to bind and not operate properly. Testing it this way will allow you to verify that the module works. If it does, then look for what might be interfering before you reinstall. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.